What are organisational skills? You are a manager in the advertisement department of X company. You have been having a highly busy week. Your phones never stop. You get a new email every second. Your customers constantly ask for the contents to be revised and that the project is delivered early. Your boss asks when the company documents will be completed. Your employees constantly knock on the door to ask about the tasks you have assigned them. Your wife calls, telling you should pick the kids up from school. Your digital calendar reminds you of a meeting in 10 minutes. Meanwhile, your assistant asks if you need a coffee. At that moment, you feel like you are going to explode. If you want to learn how to overcome this level of workload, it's high time you focus on your organisational skills. Really though, would you like black or white coffee? Let's continue.